Hey guys, today I want to talk about Benjamin Moore. Now, I'm only talking about Benjamin Moore. I'm not talking about the stores that sell Benjamin Moore. And I'm not trying to disparage anybody else, Sherwin-Williams or Pittsburgh or Behr or whoever else sells paint. But for Benjamin Moore themselves, they have been really great to us as far as support with information and help on the jobs and helping us with some marketing materials and some new products that they've had come out, namely Scuffx, which has been a game changer if you own a facility. And I've used it in my house in the stairwell just to test it out before we use it on any customers' projects. And I'm telling you, that stuff's great. You can save a lot of time repainting things. But I spent some time with Joe from Benjamin Moore, from their national headquarters, just trying to get a sense of what our business is like. He drove around with me onto a couple estimates, came back to the office, hung out, talked about business. And the great thing about it is he didn't try to sell me a gallon of paint. Usually when we have these paint meetings, trust me, these guys want to meet more than probably the president meets. It's hey, we have a lower price. We have this new product out. This is going to be the price. Hey, what are you paying at the other place? We can beat that price. I'm telling you guys, that stuff doesn't work with me. I don't shop like that. When I go out and buy something, I don't buy it just off a price. We want vendors, paint stores, paint manufacturers to do what they say. That's it. We don't need the lowest price. We want them to do what they say they're going to do. What happens a lot here is people come in and give us their presentation. It happened with payroll companies. It's happened with insurance. It's happened with paint vendors. It's happened with everybody. They come in and they give this great spiel, give you a lot of literature. We're going to do this for you. We're going to do that for you. And as soon as you sign up, they're gone. They are gone. They're gone. You can never hear from them again. They're not helping you out. They're not supporting you. And when you call up to try to get some information, you can't even get that person on the phone anymore. You go through these little channels. God forbid something happens on a project with the paint that they sold you, and to get somebody to back that stuff, it's tough. They're going to look to blame the painter, the painting company, for either poor prep or temperature or this and that. And it just has not been the case with Benjamin Moore for us. So just here today to say thank you to Benjamin Moore. They've been great to us. Now, do we still buy other people's paint? Sure, we have to on some projects. It's specified for that. But I have Benjamin Moore in my house, if that tells you anything. And some other people have great products too. But just wanted to say thank you. Talk to you guys soon.